Do you know what do you mean by Contra mutual fund? Contra mutual fund, which is one of the special category mutual fund, which will always go against the market. I would like to give some example. During the 2016 and 17, ICICI Bank had a very tough time. In that time, Chanda Kochar, she was the CEO of the bank. Due to some reason, she had to resign from the bank. In that time, bank has corrected from 322 till 200. In that time, everybody was selling ICICI Bank. Only few mutual fund schemes, they were buying the ICICI Bank because they knew that this problem is going to be a short-term problem. In the future, things will normalize. Definitely stock will bounce back. So that's the reason only few mutual fund schemes, they were buying ICICI Bank in that time. But fast forward today, right now, ICICI Bank, which is trading at around 1200 rupees. Friends, I would like to give one more example. Right now, IT stocks, they are having very tough time. The major reason is slowdown in the US market. So that's the reason from last 2 years, IT stocks are struggling a lot. Once things will normalize in the USA, definitely these stocks, they are going to bounce back. If you buy this stock right now, so for that we call it as a contra buying. Friends, when quality stocks, they are having a tough time, when you buy that stock, for that we call it as a contra bet. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about one contra mutual fund, which is SBI Contra mutual fund, which was launched in 1999. It's been 25 years now. Since inception, the fund has been the biggest wealth creator for many investors. If you have invested 10,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception, now your investment value will become 30 lakh, market value will become 7 crore rupees. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss more about this fund. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. SBI Contra Fund, which was launched in 1999. It's been 25 years now. If you look at the AUM, asset under management, which is 35,000 crores. If you look at the expense ratio, which is 1.50%. If you look at the NAV, net asset value, which is 380. If you look at the asset allocation, 90% of allocation into equity market, 10% of allocation into debt market. Within equity, 45% of allocation into large cap, 30% of allocation into small cap, 15% of allocation into small cap. Fund has got good diversification across the market capitalization. If you look at the top 5 sectors, 19% of allocation into financial services, 15% of allocation into oil and gas, 12% of allocation into healthcare, 10% of allocation into automobile and auto component, 8% of allocation into metal and mining. If you look at the top 10 holdings, HDFC Bank, State Bank of India, GAIL, Reliance Industry, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Woolful India Limited, ICICI Bank, Toronto Power, Axis Bank and Tata Steel Limited. The fund also invests into US market. Some of the US stocks are EFOM System and Cognizant. If you look at the fund manager, Dinesh Balachandran is the fund manager. From last 10 years, he has been working with the SBI mutual fund. If you look at the return since inception, the fund has generated 20% of return, which is very good. 10,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception. Now your investment value will become 30 lakh, market value will become 7 crore rupees. Along with that, if you have invested 1 lakh rupees in 1999, now that 1 lakh rupee, it has become 1 crore rupees. This is how this fund has created huge wealth for many investors. Friends, if you're a long-term investor, if you're willing to take risk, if you're willing to invest for long-term, definitely you can invest into Contra mutual fund. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with the community. If you require any help with regards to the mutual fund investment, you can contact me in the below link. Thank you so much.